Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an estimate in Wave. Creating an estimate in Wave is easy and essential for providing potential clients with a price quote for your services or products. So here's how to create one. First thing you got to do is to log into your Wave account and then go to the sales section on the left hand sidebar. Then you're going to click on estimates, which will take you to the estimate management page. Now there you're going to select the create estimate button, and you can find that at the top right corner of the page. Now in the estimate editor, you're going to enter the client's details. You can add either a new customer, or you can select an existing one from your contact. This will automatically fill in their information. Next, just add the items you're estimating for. You can include a detailed description, quantity, and price for each item. You can also apply taxes and discounts here, just like in invoice. Next, you can set your estimates validity period. It could be 30 days, 60, whatever. Just set that to let your clients know how long the estimate is valid. You can do this in the validity section. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save to save your estimate as a draft. You can also click Send to email it directly to your clients. And that's it. You've created your first estimate in Wave, and you can now share it with your clients. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.